What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today is a special day. The Hildabeast video has hit 100,000 views. Actually, by now we've broken 100,000 views. So I just want to go ahead and say a very big thank you to all of the subscribers, all of the viewers, everyone who has visited the Bay Area FPV YouTube channel and helped make this possible. Thank you very, very much. I love the fact that we were able to hit this milestone with this video. It is indeed the first Hildabeast video to hit 100,000, and by all intent and purposes, this is the first Beast class quad. So guys, thank you again. And to celebrate 100,000 views, we are going to give away this Jumper T16 multi-protocol radio. Now you might remember a few weeks back I tried to give this away live at Baylands Park in Sunnyvale to anybody who wanted to just come pick it up. However, nobody came. Nobody came to get this. So guess what? That was a local only giveaway. However, this one is going to be open to anyone. This is going to be an international giveaway. There's only one catch to that. If the winner happens to be an international winner, you'll be responsible for covering the shipping of this to you. Other than that, there's no catches. Open to everyone. Again, just international winners will be responsible for covering the shipping. And all you have to do to win is leave a comment down below indicating that you want the radio. On Tuesday the 9th at 5 p.m. Pacific time, I will announce the winner. So you have 1 week, leave a comment, share this, let everybody know, hey, you're gonna win the Jumper T16 radio. And guys, once again, huge thank you for making it possible that we got 100,000 views on the Hildabeast video. I'm stoked, I love it. And guys, I will see you again very, very soon. We've got a live build video coming of the Catalyst Machine Works Raging Droner. It's right around the corner. I'll see you guys next time.